នេះនៅរស់នៅនឹងជើងភ្នំភ្នំនេះជាភ្នំថ្មយកមិនចេះអស់ទេអូបាត់បាត់ថ្មជាងថ្មបាំងហើយបាត់ហើយផ្លូវអីទៀត I can see it. I told you guys I shared, see. We have no tree on this mountain.
No, not on that mountain, no. Yeah, they got water shooting up there. Right there, what they doing over there? Oh, that's construction. Just bringing it down. So
Got water show here.
yeah, there you go.
And see here? Some big giant peanut blown from underground. Somebody pee from the ground. I blocked the camera, sorry guys.
Tell me which one to take up there, guys.
Go see free land, guy. Come here, no tax, okay? Come live by yourself on the top of the mountain either.
Good place to set up a shack and shop.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know where these little stories you're talking about.
Stop by a dollar store.
Gotta get some fish food.
Tinh nông băng để chạy từ phía cả tiền.
Catching fish and have for dinner.
I'm an email, free land. Anybody welcome and no tax. No tax. As long you live by yourself. And you want to live at least owner, everything is free, okay? Toilet free, electrical free, house free, and water free. Yeah. And free.
Right.
You know how to get free? I can help you guys how to get free.
Yeah.
Okay? Toàn tới tia từ mưa ở đây prey kla prey đầm rây prey pu prey pu veg mà đó camera nó chụp lại đấy này đã tới đá sai ra mà ní khơi trăng rồi đặt đây chẳng cái việc lắp cặp nga mới ọt khơi ọt toàn mà tè bên tê từ mỗi băng sợi ray này hả ra mà ní là mau cho nam tầm manh nhà lớn đô cái này mà đô này mưa mày thơ. Okay, we go to dollar store to buy a lot of bread. Buy pang pang. Trăng hai bo. Chăm. Nằm crowd kids thưa nâu. Oh, thưa nâu Orlando.
not even gonna.
រាមនេះដាក់ឲ្យហើយទៅ$99 ទេរាមនេះយ៉ាគឺទៅអូនតានៅដល់គាត់ហើយទៅដល់ July 31st អូខេសបុតហ្នឹងនឹងឡើងថ្លៃហើយតែនៅ over July 31st and yes before July 31st only 99 oh វាមានលក់ត្រាប់ពងគោទៀតណាមានត្រាប់ពងគោអានេះមើលយ៉ានោះមានថ្មីទៀតហើយ oh I can feel the heat now heat near hot see Jody license plate no water Jody live here so he tried to help us getting around to it we never seen it before but he took us around and we go to see the Hoover Dam but today they're supposed to stay on conference but we just get off we keep off we ran away from school no training so we didn't have much time so Red and Judy going to leave today too so we have no time but tomorrow I'm gonna be all day free until 11 midnight 11 p.m. Going back home okay we're going to airport Judy ធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំឬក៏បងម៉ៃធ្វើអីគេអត់បាននៅ conference នេះអាហ្នឹងយើងមើលដូចជាយើងអាចយើងទៅនេះហ៎យើង log in the back office ហ៎សម្រាប់នេះគឺ the back office ហើយហ្នឹងយើងទៅអាកន្លែង register for the conference ទៅឡើងហ្នឹងទៅបានហើយណា31ដាច់ហ្នឹងណាតែប្រហែលថ្ងៃហ្នឹងទេចាប់ផ្ដើមក្តៅហើយ start to getting hot now I can feel the heat mostly at day we didn't get outside we stay in the building so keep cool it's so hot but now about 90 degree 98 degree now we are very hot I can feel the heat but a little better in the than in the city so to get out there a lot of open space but it's still hot okay stop by dollar store to buy some breadចាំបងគេទៅខែណាថ្ងៃណាអូខែ8ខែ8ដូចថ្ងៃទីប្រហែលនេះថ្ងៃទី6មិនដឹងយើងចូលទៅមើលឲ្យលោកអាចារ្យចូលទៅមើលខាងក្រោយ back office យើងនឹងទៅ log in ទៅហើយ បាទចូលទៅគេប្រាប់ថ្ងៃខែហើយមួយទៀតសម្រាប់มื้អនេះបើសាញអប់មនុស្សថ្មីគឺអា package មាន two light shake ហើយនឹង light light men women ហើយនឹង get free 7 day healthy cleanse free shipping and free member ហើយអា package ហ្នឹងគឺ 25% discount ម្នាក់ទិញបានតែមួយទេគឺ$159 package ហ្នឹងហើយនឹងបាន free 7-day healthy cleanse. In 1995, it's free, and shipping is free too. Okay, don't be late until August 31st. Then we call it prove it challenge. Okay. Miền ấy mơ chạm tách tiết chạm mơ tiết, ok. Thầm mấy mơ ắt khơi nhé. Các bạn chạm kho bong mình chia, ok, yeah. Alright, see you guys later. So, I can't be stand out here so long, it's so hot. See, gonna burn me, make me dry already. We need a lot of hydration. Sharkly hydrate, okay, to keep it cool. Alright guys, we'll see you guys later. Follow me.